Game Dev Journey.
Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. Welcome to episode 6 of my series promoting the Godot game engine and where you can learn how to use it. Godot version 4 is almost here, and now is a great time to start learning how to use the engine. I've found some savvy sages to help you level up your Godot skills, so come and sit at the feet of the masters and absorb their wisdom. Cryptic Coding has been making videos since 2017, so this is an excellent archive collection of tutorials to follow. Of course there are Godot tutorials, but you can also find playlists on game design, game development, and programming in general. Cryptic's Godot tutorials are excellent. And you'll find videos taking you through platformers, endless runners, RPGs, and top-down shooters from start to finish. If you want to learn how to make any of these types of games, or you're looking for solutions to problems which you may have encountered in your own games, then this is a great channel to find some answers. Tom has a great channel specifically aimed at teaching the skills required to build your own game from start to finish. If you want to learn how to make your very own video games, then Tom will take you from learning the fundamentals of coding all the way up to making your own 2D and 3D games with the Godot game engine. Particularly if you have been avoiding stepping into 3D development in Godot, then now is a good time to try with the help of Tom's channel, as he has an excellent series on making a 3D first-person shooter in Godot. Head over to Tom's channel and take your first steps in 3D development with him now. Ombarus is a software developer living in Japan. His channel is to show his work as an indie game dev. More than just learning how to make games in Godot, you can also get a glimpse of what life in Japan is like. His Godot playlists have a wealth of good content and generally have videos with unique and unusual topics, which you won't find on other channels. He has a great sense of humor which makes his videos entertaining to watch and easy to learn. You can also follow along with the development of his own games. My suggestion is that you check it out for yourself, as there's bound to be something useful for you in his vast video library. Garbaj is a popular channel on YouTube, as evidenced by his massive subscriber count, and it's because the tutorials he makes get straight to the point and straight to the instructions. They move incredibly quickly though, so it's best that you know your way around the engine or else watch the videos at a slower speed. Either way, the videos do exactly what they say they will do in the title. So whatever specific thing you're looking to learn, it's guaranteed to be answered by the video. His focus is largely on 3D FPS, so again, if that's what you're into, then this channel is a goldmine for you. Valo is a Spanish-speaking Godot tutorial maker. What is amazing to me is that, of course, while Albert is teaching in Spanish, all of the code in GDScript is in English. So it's perfectly possible for an English speaker to follow along with the tutorial. However, if you are Spanish speaking and want to learn how to make your own games, then this is going to be the best channel for you. Albert has a wealth of content, as he's been doing this for a very long time and he uploads regularly. Lately, he has taken to live streaming his content, so you know that you can get the most up-to-date information. That's all for this week. Once again, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.